Another tutorial guys, another hit song, another trending song. This time is from Adele. The title of the song is Easy On Me. Again guys, let's start from the string pattern and then we'll follow the chords. Okay? So this is our simple version of how to play the song. This is our version or simple version of how to play the song. Please follow me. This is our string pattern. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. Okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? All we have to do is the right timing, guys, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, okay? Down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. This is our string pattern. Let's proceed for the chords, guys. The intro, I'll show it first. This is the intro, guys. Please follow me. Intro. Intro. The first chord is note of F, then bar here, then ring pinky at the third fret, fifth and fourth string, then third string for the middle finger, second fret, okay? F, then D minor, and then the third chord is A minor 7, a form of A minor, but we'll remove this finger, guys. Remove the ring finger, okay? A minor 7, remove this ring finger. Then the last chord for the intro is B flat. Form B, but we'll play or we'll get this chord at the first fret. Okay? Again, F, D minor, A minor 7, form A, but we'll remove this ring finger. Then the last chord is B flat. Let's play this with the string pattern, okay? Intro, F, D minor, A minor 7, then B flat, then insert the first verse. So for the first verse, these are the chords. We have two lines. We have two lines for the first verse. First line is F again, and then a D minor again, then A minor 7 again, and a B flat. Then for the second line, there's changes. F again, D minor again. Then the third chord for the second line is C. Okay, the third chord is C. Then the last chord again is B flat. Hold the B flat. Okay, for the first verse before the chorus. Okay, before the chorus. So let us play this part. First verse. First line. F. Then D minor. First line. Then A minor 7. Then down, up, down. Then second line, F again, second line, down, E minor again, then C. Please don't forget this part, C. Then hold B flat before the chorus. Hold B flat again. Okay, and then insert the chorus. Let us proceed for the chorus. So after the chords, after the first verse, hold B flat, then chorus part. I'll show it first, guys. I'll play it first. I'll show it first. So first for this part, we have three parts for the chorus part, guys. We have three parts or three lines. The first line, F, then B flat, then C. Okay, again F, then B flat, C. Okay, and then we'll remove this finger for the A minor 7, then G minor at the third fret. The form of F sharp minor, but we'll play this chord at the third fret. Okay, G minor. Again, let's play. B flat, C, then A minor 7, then G minor. Okay, then the last two chords are A minor, then B flat. Okay, A minor 7, B flat. Okay, that is the first line. Again, let's play the first line again. A minor 7. Okay, then A minor 7, B flat, and then repeat this chord for the second line. That is the second line. And then the last line or the third line is E, then D minor, then A minor 7, B flat. That is the third line or last line, okay? Again, let us play the whole chorus, guys. First line. Then repeat for the second line, repeat. Then the third line or last line, D minor, A minor 7, then B flat, okay? Then insert the second chorus, second verse, sorry. Insert the second verse. Go. For the second verse, little changes again. So these are the chords. Please follow me. F, then D minor, then this time C, okay? Then B flat for the second verse. So repeat these chords twice, guys, for the second verse. F, D minor, C, and B flat. Repeat these chords twice for the second verse, okay? Down, up, down. For the second verse. Down, up, down. C. Then the last chord, B flat again. Just hold the B flat before the chorus. Then again, repeat the chorus. Repeat the chorus. Okay. Repeat the chorus. Chord. Okay. And then for the bridge part, this is the chords for bridge part. F, D minor, then C. The third chord is C for the bridge part. Then B flat, hold B flat, okay? That's for the bridge part, guys. That is for the bridge part. Then again, guys, after the bridge part, repeat the chorus chords, and that is the last part, okay? Repeat the chorus chords. This is the outro and the last part, okay? Okay, repeat these chords. Okay? This is the outro or the last part. This is our version of how to play this song, guys. This new song of Ma'am Adele. The title of the song is Easy On Me. This is our simple version of how to play this song. Again, if you learn in this tutorial, guys, please like this video, guys. Please like this video. Hope you learn in this new tutorial. That's all for today. Shout out to all of you and see you on my next uploads and tutorial, guys. That's all. Bye.